Good morning, candidates. This is a special session for a good number of candidates who have joined for our group discussion classes. The group discussion exercise in Federal Bank interview will be conducted slightly different manner than other companies. You will be given a question or a situation. You will have to read that and you'll have to read that, and based on that, you have to take a stand and talk about it for 1 minute. All the candidates will have to talk for about 1 minute, and at the end of that 1 minute, then the facilitator will allow the group to participate in discussion, say for about 10 minutes. And then during those 10 minutes also, you must talk comfortably for 2 or 3 occasions. For succeeding in this exercise, what is required is good communication skill in English. You must be able to make correct sentences and talk. And you have to repeat for 1 minute. You have to talk for 1 minute. So you can use some of the point, those people who cannot speak well in English, possibly because you studied in local media education. That case, you can use some of the points given here and read it out as a sentence and then come out with your answer. Now, apart from that, say where people are, some candidates are able to talk very well. Some candidates are able to talk very well. So they are able to, they need not use all this, the information given in the material as it is. They can use their own words and then try to speak out. You might have seen a lot of videos posted by me. You must have seen lot of videos. mm, yeah, you might have seen lot of videos prepared by me and posted. I am not able to allot time separately for each one of you because each one of you is joining at one time. For example, somebody joined when I was traveling from Chennai to Bangalore, about 4 people joined. And yesterday, after coming here, 2, 3 people joined. And when I call them at my convenient time, none of you are coming forward to take the exercise. That is why I thought I can do this exercise of, say, sharing about the questions. So I would request you to be ready for taking up any question from question number 49 to 50. Question number 49 to 50, sorry, 49 to 94 or 95. Okay. For example, if we take a question like 49, the topic is that you are a member of ragging, anti-ragging committee of college, and one junior has complained that one of your friend has done a ragging with him or her. But when you asked your friend, he said that he has not done such a thing. He was just trying to be friend with junior. So junior has misunderstood him. So this is the question that will be given to you. Like this, one question will be given to you in your Fed Recruit app. You should read that question, and you might have seen that question already here. Here we have questions from 49, and the last number I have given is somewhere around 95. But there may be repetition of questions. Don't worry about it. Try to participate in them. And in this exercise, so you will be given this exercise and asked to prepare for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, say you will be required to speak up. After 2 minutes, you'll be required to speak. So you must be in a position to comfortably talk about this in English. That's all. That is the exercise. And how you are going to do it is what will decide whether you are selected in GD. And if you are selected in GD, you will go for interview that will happen within 1 week from your GD. And before that, you have to load the documents. Then they will decide the date. Not only that, after I have already given you the interview materials also. So you can be reading the interview materials or watch the interview videos. And there is one file known as A 2023 interview questions. So you go through those questions, you will know what are the questions they will be asking in the interview. So now coming back to this topic of 49, how to handle this? You have to speak only 1 minute. So here, if I am left as a say, a candidate who has done only verbal, I mean, vernacular education medium, then he will have problem in communicating. What he can do is, good morning, friends. My name is X. I'm studying in so and so college, MSc or MTech. In this topic, it is given I am an anti-ragging committee member, and one of my friend has did some ragging on a new candidate who has joined our college. Our college has got a policy of anti-ragging, and anybody who is indulging in ragging will be punished. So when that be the case, I will try to talk to my friend and ascertain from him what has happened and why this complaint has come. And after discussion with him and also the junior, if I come to know he has done some mischief or he has done some ragging, I will put up before our ragging committee and go on taking action against him. Just because he is my friend, I will not leave him. So this is how you can manage this question. So now I will stop with this because I just wanted to make out a video. I thought some more of you will come and join, but mostly because it is Sunday, all of you are sleeping, perhaps. No problem. I have made this video and I am giving you here. And after that, I will try to be here around 10:30 or so again. And if possible, I will try to conduct say group exercises for some of you. And in fact, some of you who are joined new, you can even ask our existing seniors, say who have already come to interview stage, to check up from them, namely, say, uh, the guidance for how to succeed in this GD. They will also guide you. So thank you so much. I have already given you some numbers in the WhatsApp group. So you please prepare for those questions. Be ready for participating around 10:30. If it is possible, I'll come and participate. If it is not possible, I'll message you. Thank you.